Hi everyone, welcome to HashTech Network. In this video, we will learn how to connect two computers using a switch in a Cisco packet tracer. First, let's add two PCs and a switch to our workspace. You can do this from the end device and the switch section on the bottom left of Cisco packet tracer. Here we can see these are network device and these are end user device like laptop, computer, and phone, tablet, and other. And here media we are going to use like a copper straight cable, copper crossover, fiber, coaxial, and other media. First, we are going to select a switch. In this video, we use a switch because it is a central device that connects a multiple device in a local area network and allow them to communicate efficiently. In the next video, we are going to use a router because we will connect two different networks. But in today's video, we will use a switch because we are going to connect local area network or same network. So I will add two computer, PC0 and PC1. The name of the computer, as you can see here, this is a PC0 and this is a PC1. And now I'm going to select a media. I'm going to use a copper straight through because we are going to connect two different devices, which are PC and a switch. So I'm going to select Ethernet 0, and here in the switch I'm going to connect first Ethernet 01. I will do the same in PC1. In here I will select first Ethernet 02. Now we create our connection, but this device cannot communicate for now because there is no identification for each computer. So we are going to add IP address for this PC and we will start our communication. Now open computer 0 and go to the desktop IP configuration, and here you will enter your IP address. So I'm going to put 192.168.1.2, and here is a subnet mask. Subnet mask will tell the device that this IP is a class C for local or small network. And here you will put your gateway if you want. If you don't, you can leave as it is. So I'm going to put 192.168.1.1. Now that is my gateway. Okay, I will close this. I'm going to open PC1 desktop IP configuration, and here I will put IP with the same network but different IP, 168.1.3. If you remember, in this PC0 I'm using 192.168.1.2, and here I'm going to use 192.168.1.3. and here is a subnet mask. I'm going to put a gateway. I will use the same gateway, 168.1.1. Okay, now I'm going to close. So as you can see here, the light turning green. This PC will communicate with each other. I can test by using a simulation, or I can test by using command prompt by ping this PC from here. Let's start by using simulation. Okay, now I'm going to send a message from this PC to this PC. So the message will travel from PC0 to switch and switch to PC1 and vice versa. So I'm going to start my session. So the message will travel through a switch. As you can see here at the bottom, the message or the connection is in progress. So now from PC1 to switch, and it will check from switch to PC0. So here it changes from in progress to successfully, and as you can see here, it is a blink a tick. So connection is successfully, and that is how we connect two devices using switch in Cisco packet tracer. We learn how to place device, why we using this device, and IP address, how it functions. In the next video, we will connect two PCs through a router, which is useful when devices are in different networks. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a future networking lesson.